K-pop video. In this video, we are going through Monster by Seoggi and Irene. We just went through the first chorus in our K-pop dance workshop. It was a lot of fun since the song was not that hard compared to the other songs that we usually go through in the workshop. Everyone got so well and we got into the formation as well. We tried the symmetry, separating into two groups, and at the end of the workshop we all danced together, so it was hilarious. So in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial for the first chorus, and at the end of the tutorial, we're gonna go through with the actual music, so hopefully you guys can join me. Before we start, I would like to announce to you guys that we have in-person K-pop dance workshop in Arizona every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 to 9 p.m. And we also offer free live workshops on our Facebook group called Arizona K-pop Dance Workshops. They both are open to any levels and ages, so whoever loves K-pop and dancing, please feel free to join us. All of the detailed information are in the description below. Alright, whenever you guys are ready, let's get started. Alright, so today we're gonna start with 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. Okay, so basically you're just gonna stand up straight and move the hip to left, right, left, right, left. Right, left. Good. Now your hands, bring it in front of your kind of neck, and you're just gonna fan yourself from your right hand. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. Good. Your hips start with left, right, left, right, left. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3. Now after this, you're gonna open the hand to the right and to the left, and the same as your hip to the right and to the left. Now you're gonna step out to the right and then put the hands together like this. Now make a fist and open your armpit, open your elbows. What we're gonna do next is you're just gonna tilt to the right twice, down, down. Good. So that you can put your feet together to the left, and then you're gonna slightly face the left. We can go wave, wave. Yes. This one is basically put your left hand on your hip and tilt to the left twice. Down, down. Good. So start with the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. Open, open, clap, and right, right, left, left. Here we go. In the count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3. 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. After this, one more time, we're gonna step right, open your arms and cross. Yes, make sure your right hand is on top. So the next thing, we're just gonna make a small circle. Bring your right hand up, left hand up, right hand up. Good. Open, cross, circle, right, left, right. Good. Starting with the arms. First, just open your arms, cross, and make small circles. Bring your right hand up, left hand up, and at the same time chin up and right hand is up. Good. Open, cross, circle, right, left, right. Your legs open, cross. When you start making circles with your hands, put your feet together one more time, and then in place, right, left, right. Now after this, you're just gonna make small circles and move slowly. Yes, your legs basically lean on your right side first, and the left leg kicks back, and then switch to the other side, and then meanwhile your arms pointed forward with your right index, and then make small circles, circle and circle. Good. So after wave, wave, open, cross, circle, right, left, right, and circle and circle. Good. Alright, after this is the time that we're gonna split into kind of symmetry between Seoggi and Irene. So today we're gonna follow Seoggi part, but if you wanna follow the Irene part, you're just gonna switch the side. Cool. The dance moves itself is pretty same. Good. So circle, circle. If you're following the Seoggi, we're just gonna step left. Good. Basically get ready to running. Left arm is in front of the chest, and take your right elbow up while your left toe point to the side, And then we're gonna switch the leg and step forward. Good. Step left. Now bring your left leg to the front or center. Switch and step forward with your right leg. Good. Your arms get ready to run. Now when you switch, cross your arms and step forward. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, and down and step forward. Now we're gonna step out. So if you're following the soggy, you're just gonna step left. Yeah, basically just gonna step out and make a fist with your right hand. Get ready to run. Now we're just gonna step in. Yes, step out, step in. When you're back to step in, you're gonna point with your left index and then pull a little bit so that we can go up, 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 up. Bring your left hand all the way up by moving your hands, fingers up. Yeah, and then your legs makes 4 steps from your right leg. Right, left, and then we're just gonna face out, slightly face to the left. We're gonna make heptagon. So make an index with both of your hands. We're gonna open, bring it down, and narrow. Good, kind of heptagon, I guess. Open, down, narrow, and move your shoulders forward and forward. Good. After drawing the heptagon, you can move your shoulder backwards so that on the count you can bring it up and up. And then open your hands. What we're going to do is just shake your hip and arms at the same time on the same way and shake. Good. And then you're just going to face front, point yourself. They're going to say I'm a little monster, so point and open. Good. Alrighty. So after starting with the running part, 5, 6, 7, 8, and run, and step forward, step out, step in, hands up, 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 heptagon, and shoulder front, front, and walk, walk. I'm a little monster. Good. Alright, let's put whole choreography together from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, fun, and 1, and 2, and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and circle. 6, 7, down. 1, 2 and step forward. Now out, in, up, 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 heptagon, and shoulder, shoulder, and walk, walk. I'm a little monster. Good. Alright, so after this, we're gonna finish up because the next part is pretty easy or pretty easier compared to the one that we just did. So after this, what we're gonna do is bend your knees and we're just gonna move the hip to the right and to the left. Hands up, and one more time, hip to the right and hip to the left. You can make half circle on the back, right and left, hands up, right and left. Now after this, you're gonna move your hip to the right, left, right, center. Good. Right, left, right, center. Your arms basically just drag around your body, starting with the hip, body, cross your hands, bring behind the head, and on top, just close together. Good. Right, left, right, center. Bring it down. And one more time, bring it up. Put your feet together. Hands behind your head. We're gonna knot once and then hold. Yes, you're just gonna turn, spin on your left shoulder, take your left leg up, and the hands next to your chest. Good. That's it. That's it. So again, one more time. I'm a little monster. We're gonna move the hip to the right, left, hands up, right, left. Now hip, body, head, up, down, up, nod, jump, or just spin a little bit. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Alright, this is it. Let's put whole choreography together. We're gonna practice twice and try with the music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, fun. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and circle. 6, 7, down. 1, 2 and step forward, out, a little monster. Hip down, hip left, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do a little bit faster and try with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and down, 2, and 3, 4, out, in, and up, 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 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and walk, walk. I'm a little monster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do with the music. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Circle, circle, down, and step forward, out, hip, up, let the go, shoulder, shoulder, walk, walk, down, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good job guys, how was it? Hope this tutorial will help you to get through this choreography. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know with the comments down below. Also, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I'm a little monster.